Hello, it is me again, and yeah, it's a little bit darker right now, but perfect timing. Today we are going to be reacting once again to some more analog horror, and now this video I have seen on my For You page for the longest time, and I've been waiting to watch it with you guys, and it is the Three Little Pigs analog horror. And now, from what I've seen of it, this is the real stuff. But before we begin, Happy New Year to you all. Thank you guys so much for tuning into these videos. It really means a lot to me. The fact that I started this just about like 2 years ago, 3 years ago maybe, is insane. And I got all of you guys just watching me. So let's just have a new year, and comment down below what's your New Year's resolution. And if you enjoy this video and want to see me react to more stuff, please like, subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And if you want me to react to other things, just comment them down below. I would do more than just scary stuff. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. I feel like I should change the lights. 1 sec. Alright, now this is good. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Three Little Pigs. Play. So I'm assuming this is like a desktop game.
Once upon a time, three little pigs left their mother's house to build their own homes. The first pig built his house out of straw because it was quick and easy. The second pig built his house out of
Already like 39 seconds in, I'm not liking this. Do you hear this voice? Oh my god, I don't, oh my god.
sticks, which took a little more effort. The third pig worked hard to build a sturdy house out of bricks. One day, a big bad wolf came to the straw house and
oh Jesus Christ. Oh, what's this? Oh god.
Hello, I am the first pig. I need to protect myself from the wolf. According to the story you heard, what material will I use to build?
Wait, they know that they're in the story? Why not go to the house with the bricks first? If you know what's gonna happen, why not go to there?
My house. Straw, sticks, or bricks?
Well, I guess we're gonna have to follow this. If you guys are like the freaking Dora the Explorer kind of people, Scoot, obviously it's straw. Pick straw. Okay, there we go.
Wow, thank you so much for your help. Now the wolf won't get me.
That sounds freaking me the hell out. Why does it look like that? I'm taking one of your pot out.
It's dark and cold out here. I better hide at home.
Go inside, please. Oh shoot, oh no. That's not good. Oh god. Don't answer it. I think the wolf's outside. I hope he doesn't find me here. Oh god. Oh, Jesus Christ! Holy cow! Oh my... Did you hear the difference between the first knock and the second knock? He really went from... to... banging on the door. Oh.
Let me in, little pig. I want to destroy your house. We can be friends.
No. No, I won't let you in. But your house is made out of straws. He's coming. He's getting in there. Definitely.
Sure.
Oh God. He's breaking down the door. Okay. Oh no. Oh Jesus Christ! Oh my.
One day, a big bad wolf came to the straw house and huffed, puffed, and blew it down. The pig.
Oh my God.
Ran to his
Jesus.
brother's stick house. The wolf followed, huffed, puffed.
I feel like something's gonna pop up here at some point. Loading.
Hi, I'm the second pig. The wolf is coming and I need to protect myself quickly. According to the story you heard, what material will I use to build my house?
Wait, yeah, it's wood.
Straw, sticks or bricks?
Oh, for a second, I thought. For a second, it said straw, and I was about to say, does he not know? Cause, oh my, no, it's wood. It's wood.
Rum?
Yeah, we
Try
know.
again.
Pick wood.
Rum?
It's wood.
Try again. Rum?
What the hell? Who the hell is that? Oh Jesus! Who the? Oh my God! No! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! Guys, it is 8:14 at night. Why is that on my screen? Oh my God! We are only 5 minutes into the video. We got 10 minutes left. Oh. Oh my God.
Sophies.
You gotta choose wood. Choose wood, please. Okay, there we go. Oh no, what the heck? No, spar.
Wow. Thanks for the help. I hope the wolf doesn't find me.
The wolf is finding you. No offense, but the wolf is finding you. They're not smiling anymore. That's weird. And we're back to...
It's late. It's dangerous out here. I'd better go in.
One second. I gotta back my chair up. I'm leaning way too back. No, here he is again. Who's there? Oh, he has a window. It's your brother. Open the door, please. Okay, there ain't no way this wolf is replicating his brother's voice. Unless he's on that pumpkin rabbit stuff. No, rewind!
Hey, it's me. You're gone, Jay. It's over.
He's dead.
Let's go home. I just need you to open the cupboard.
Yeah, so if he's on that, then that's crazy. But if, a little pause on this because I'm a little shaken up from that last part. If you want to go check out that video, it's a little bit long. I mean, you could put it on in the background or something. But if you want to go check out the video, that video will be in the description, or just click on my profile and you should find it very easily. Anyways, back to the video. Oh god, he has a window. If it's really you, appear at the window. God, no. It's gonna be his, like, body or something. God damn it, I knew it. Oh god. Oh no. Oh wait, I thought you... Okay, never mind. Oh no. Two things. One, why does he have the face of the...
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
And two, this has to be the most horrifying thing I have ever seen. Why did I record it at this time? Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my... Oh! Oh! That's fun. Am I dead? Where's my brother? I want to see him. Oh god. Oh wow. I have a question. Where's his eye at? Yeah, did he just like... Is his eye just gone, or is it like...
And to his brother's stick house. The wolf followed, huffed, puffed, and blew that house down too. The two pigs ran to their brother's brick house. The wolf tried to blow it down.
Alright, now we go to the most reasonable wolf. I mean, no, pig. God.
Save us, brother.
Oh my god.
We are all dead. You are your last hope. Burn yourself. Your house next to the wolf. Sacrifice yourself for us and for all the victims he made. Hello, I am the third.
Why does he sound like that? Why do all the other pigs sound normal, and why does he just sound like that?
Pig, and I need to protect myself and kill the wolf. According to the story you heard, what material will I use to build my house?
Okay, I'm prepared for this. I'm prepared. What the hell? Alright, it's brick.
Straw, sticks, or brick.
Oh my god. It's brick. Oh god, why did that jump scare me?
Wow. Thanks for the help. I hope the wolf doesn't find me.
Why is there just a random, like, piece of gasoline in the middle of the woods? Or, like, Amazon? What? Where are they even at? Like, doesn't the story, like, take place in, like, a meadow or something? They're in, like, the middle of the Amazon.
Can you find gasoline?
Now, may I ask, why do you need gasoline? I know it's to kill the wolf, but it's just like, why? Where's gasoline coming from in this? Like, are you gonna melt the bricks to make a better house? Actually, I wonder if you can do that. I'm not gonna try it. It's right there. Alright, bravo. We found gasoline. And now there's just a lighter in the middle of the forest. I'm sorry for pausing so much, but it's just like, why do we have a lighter?
Can you find a lighter?
Okay, oh god.
It's dangerous.
Okay, so we got, well, so the dude used the wood for the door. I don't know where the hay is, but his entire house is brick, so that's pretty clever. Yeah, let's see how this goes.
Dangerous out here. It's better to go inside.
Okay, here this guy is. Oh god. Who is it? I know it's the wolf that's knocking. I'd better use the gasoline for my plan. Okay, I hope I can kill that wolf. The door is open, come get me. Yeah, get him! Get him! Yeah, go! Die, you. And let us rest. Oh my god! Oh, wow. Oh wait, he's burning too. What the? Was that Goldilocks? Wait, no, wrong person. Oh my god. Who's this guy? I've been corrupted. The witch did this for my thirst for vengeance. I want to have a happy ending. But what's left for me is to burn eternally in hell for my actions. But I don't regret anything. I would off more. I really like Jesus. Oh my god. Gretel, go after the witch and free your brother. Like Hansel and Gretel? Hansel's soul is not saved like the others. Okay, this is definitely like a part of like a bigger story. We can finally rest. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Go back a couple seconds. So that's Little Red Riding Hood. I don't know who. Oh wait, that's the grandma from Little Red Riding Hood. I don't know who this girl is or thing on the left. Yeah, I don't know who that is. Although she seems to be having fun. Oh, and here are the pigs. Oh god. What the hell? What was that? Hansel is not saved. Who's that? What the hell? Okay, so that's the end of it. So I guess there is like a little series that goes on. We got obviously the 3 little pigs, Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood, where have you been? Okay, so we got 3 of these. Well, if you guys want me to check out these other 2, I definitely will, because this dude is insane. His stuff is great. Foxmations, you are incredible. Well, that was a handful of nightmare fuel. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like seeing me creeped out like this at 8:29 at night, please let me know. I can either A, watch the rest of this, or B, just, I don't know, we could react to a lot of things. There's a lot of stuff on YouTube, but yeah, I'm glad you guys liked this video. Once again, like, subscribe, go check out my other videos, my Return of the Pumpkin Rabbit and Mysterious House video. There are those, or you just like seeing me talk. I have a lot of videos of me talking about video games, injuries, all of that. But once again, it is probably bedtime for all of y'all, unless you live in like Europe or something. In other words, love y'all. I'll see y'all in the next time. I'll see y'all in the next one. See ya.